Good evening. Today is January 20, 2024 Saturday, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sur 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games in Amusement Corporation for January 20, 2024 Saturday. Here are the SL Sur 3 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for Saturday, January 20, 2024. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of January 20, 2024 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.